Yo, what up guys? You probably can't see me right now. We just picked up some food. We're heading to the garage, and today we're taking the whole front end off, like the rest of it. Fenders, radiator support, radiator, the bottom piece from last time, which is already loose. I literally just gotta take it off. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool to see like the whole car just standing, engine, wheels, and frame. So let's get over there. It's so dark in here, man. The daily needs a new lamp right there. Some nice studio light. Whoop whoop! Another day, another Firebird on it. This is gonna be good, guys. Radiator support, fenders, and of course also the inner fenders right here. And then it's basically just gonna be frame and engine. The first thing we gotta do is remove the marker lights on each side, and that should be pretty easy. Then we have to remove this door valance, bumper covering, then this support right here, which is stuck underneath the condenser. So probably gonna have to take the radiator support off first, and then like pull everything from the top, and that should pretty much be it. That's a part of the frame right there, I think. Well, you can't disconnect it down here, but we're just gonna let that be right here. And then I honestly think that's it. Disconnect the inner fender right here. Fender. And I'm not quite sure if there's anything behind the door. But then there's also two bolts down here. And maybe one down here, but I already think I removed that one, so it should be Gucci, man. Okay, let's get to it, shall we? Yes! Alright guys, so the whole front end is disassembled now. It's all gone. The condenser is literally just hanging right now, so I'm gonna try to see if we can just drop that down to get some working space. Because there's probably some bolts in here. And in here I think. Nevertheless, it has to go out anyway, because the car never had AC or anything. Oh, it had AC, but some owner decided to just cut everything away. Like, yeah, I don't want cooling, heater, anything at all. So fuck you, dude. Literally, just cut it away. I mean, look. So I'm gonna try to get this fender out now, and also the inner fender. And let's go. So what we're gonna have to do now is bleed the radiator system. Then we're gonna have to take this overflow tank off right here, and probably also gonna remove this condenser pump thing, whatever it is. Actually, I'm not quite sure what this is. Let me know down below if you guys know what it is. It has this like weird bubble thing, so you can see like the flow of something inside. And then we're also gonna remove the transmission coolant right there, or transmission cooler, whatever. What the fuck happened to my sound, yo? Then I have no idea about like the fan shroud. I know as much that you can't get it out without removing the propeller or whatever. But I guess that doesn't matter when we lift all this up, right? And on this side, there's literally nothing. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so in like 1 second, the whole radiator support gonna like drop down and I might gonna die. But hey, let's just go for it, shall we? Just gonna support it here with my shoulder. and hope for the best. Oh hell yeah! Best tip ever, use 2 jack stands. Cause this is hella heavy. I need a screwdriver now, because I still have a cooler hose right there. And there we go. I should probably have taken like the hose off first, but you make mistakes sometimes, yeah? There we go. We're just gonna drain the radiator too. Now the last problem you're gonna have with this giant radiator support, it's really heavy by the way too, probably like 50 pounds at least, if not more. You need a place to put it. I literally already have the whole front end on top of the car, and yeah, I have no damn idea. No idea where to put this. Let's do a deadlift right here. Yeah! Holy shit! Okay, I'm gonna have to put it down. So guys, it is becoming pretty damn late. I think it's like 12 PM or something. But we came a pretty damn long way, I would say. The car's literally ready to like get the engine pulled out, get some suspension work done and stuff like that. We're still waiting for a few parts, so we can't really start. But there are small things we can do, and the plan is also to get everything off and actually paint the frame, as it is not like any kind of coated right now except for oil and mud, which makes the frame nearly look 1/3 like larger. It's like pretty damn big and just dirt like covered around it. So we're gonna clean up the frame, get it painted. I mean, it's gonna be a ratty paint, okay? Don't get me wrong. We're gonna grind it down, maybe sand out something, use some filler to make it nice and smooth. I don't know. And then we're gonna see if we can do our best paint job with spray cans. And also, if you're new to the channel, the whole car is gonna get spray painted with rattle cans. Now you're probably wondering, what the fuck, dude? Are you mad? You mad, lad? Well, the thing is, you can actually paint the car pretty damn nice with a rattle can. That's not painted with a rattle can, it's just like 30-year-old paint. But don't get me wrong, searching YouTube people who know how to paint with a rattle can, it's just as good as a gun, honestly. It's so close to being the same. And I don't care for the paint, because my car's still gonna be a ratty muscle car. I'm still gonna trash it around. I'm not gonna wash it. I'm not gonna detail the car. So it doesn't really matter. And to everyone who's still new, the car's gonna get bruised to green, look like a Trans Am, shaker hood, front lip, the side cones, every damn thing. And then we're also gonna add a little bit custom things like NASCAR side pipes, like boom pipes, you know what I mean? Some kind of like electronic opening, so you can just go straight pipe whenever you want it. And you can also go with the mufflers when the cops are around the corner, you know what I mean? But yeah, a lot of things to come. And in the next video I think I'm gonna try to review a few of the suspension parts that I already got, and then probably we're also going to like start to pull a few things off the motor, because it's easy enough to pull the motor right now, but I don't really have a motor stand yet, so I'm just gonna use the car as a motor stand. So as long as the engine is in here, I'm gonna be able to remove the fan, the pulley, the generator, power steering, etc, stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smack that like button and subscribe button down below, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any nice cool comment to comment. I said comment a lot right there. Comment if I commented a lot. Comment. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Take care. I'm so bad at outros. See you later.